Friends, have you ever looked at a Cadillac Escalade and thought, yeah, that's nice, but could it look more like it's auditioning for a Fast and Furious sequel where they race luxury refrigerators? Well, apparently Waido did, because these mad geniuses just took the all-electric Escalade IQ and gave it a wide-body kit that screams subtlety is for Priuses. Before we dive in, hey, do us a favor and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss the next electric tank on steroids. Link to the official product website? You know it, right there in the video description. Now, back to the Escalade IQ, or as I like to call it, the SUV that could moonlight as a nightclub. The base Escalade IQ was already massive, like takes 2 zip codes to parallel park massive. But Waido looked at that and said, we can make it wider, louder, meaner. They slapped on a new front fascia with aero accents and a chin spoiler so long, you could use it to shovel snow off your driveway. Honestly, the only thing missing is a plow attachment and a theme song by Metallica. They didn't stop there. The wheel arches? Flared. Rear bumper? Redesigned. Spoiler? Oh, you bet your electric butt there's a spoiler. And while that little rear diffuser probably doesn't do squat on a 9,000-pound cruise ship with headlights, it sure makes it look like it could outrun a jet if it wanted to. And yes, you heard that right. This beast weighs over 9,000 pounds. That's not a typo. That's enough weight to bend time around itself. I believe if you leave this thing parked too long, smaller cars start orbiting it. Now Waido, bless their carbon fiber-loving hearts, already dropped a wide-body kit for the Tesla Cybertruck for around $9,990. So what's this Escalade kit gonna cost? I think it's safe to say, if you have to ask, you're probably shopping for something with cloth seats and a cassette player. Forged carbon fiber all over the renderings means this kit is not for people who clip coupons. Still, I liked the idea. The Escalade IQ with this wide-body look is the kind of vehicle you don't drive to blend in. It's for folks who want to arrive somewhere and have the building tilt slightly in their direction. It's loud, it's electric, and it looks like Optimus Prime's flashy cousin who owns a club in Miami. Want more insane electric beasts, wide-body monsters, and concept cars that look like they escaped from a comic book? Hit that subscribe button and buckle up. We've got a full charge of automotive madness coming your way.